Hey guys, this is Miss WanderMust Travels again for another adventure. Today we're heading to Death Valley and kind of stopping on some cool sights on the way. So I will show you guys that throughout this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share, and enjoy the video. Our first stop on the way to Death Valley is this kind of cool sighting that you can pull off over from the side of the road and see. It is the Fish Rocks, or AKA Fish Head Rocks, or AKA Whale Rocks. And this was something that was started in the 1930s. Just a local man painted some faces on here, and then it got vandalized some years after that, and then I think it was in the 1970s two local girls repainted them. So just a cute little stop on the way to Death Valley. So we have made it to the Trona Pinnacles. These are calcium carbonate or tufa spires that stick out from the ground. They're the highest. They're as tall as 100 feet high, and actually this whole area used to be underground at one point. It was like 10,000 to 100,000 years ago. All of this was underwater. So I was exploring around these Trona Pinnacles, and of course I found a little cave and had to go check it out. So let's go see. You can see it's like, it used to probably be a mine, I'm guessing. I'm not sure, but you can see in there, I don't have my flashlight. It doesn't go very far. It looks like they kind of tried to block it off. Looks like at one time it had a gate. So let's see. Oh, you can kind of see a little bit. And we're gonna look up, and it's sealed off. So they didn't get too far. Looks like they were at one point mining for something here and didn't get too much. This area, Trona, is the city that we're passing through. Has half of the minerals and elements known to man in this area. So they did a lot of mining out here. So there's a ton. We passed on the drive-through tons of old mines. So it's really interesting area. Lots of history, and it's just beautiful in its own way. So behind me are the Wild Rose charcoal kilns. These were used to produce charcoal coal for the local mining companies. And this was started in 1877. They were built in 1877. They're made out of limestone, and they're 25 feet high, and they're in like excellent condition. There's a little snow still in Death Valley and in the mountains. So behind me are the Mesquite sand dunes. These are one of the many sand dunes in Death Valley. I think there are 3 different sets of sand dunes here, 3 or 4, but these are very beautiful. So guys, this is a little plane wreck that is here in Beatty, Nevada. It's actually crashed, I can't remember the year, I'll put it in the notes later, but it crashed next to a brothel that used to be in this area, as you can see from the sign that says Angels Ladies Brothel. And over here is the wreckage, as you can see. So International Car Forest, guys, is definitely one of my favorites. This is amazing. I've been here for hours just taking photos. This is a must-see. So we've made it to Rhylite Open Air Museum, which is a free outdoor museum just outside of Beatty, Nevada, near the ghost town Rhylite. So guys, that concludes this adventure of Miss WanderMust Travels sites near Death Valley. If you enjoyed this, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and we'll see you next adventure. Bye, thanks for watching.